So hi Alex.
Hi.
We're here on Plankton Electronics booth, right?
Yes.
And you've got a kind of more updated version of what we saw. We saw this last year, I think.
Yes, we saw it last year. It is the Zaps. It is a percussion module. It's an analog synth engine with a digital control. And here is the last version that we are showing today. Basically, it's analog synth-voice with two oscillators, AM, FM, cross FM, and two envelopes and several waveforms. And with the digital control, you can store different sounds in the different slots. You have like 12 slots and 12 banks. You can store, you can copy, you can snapshot any sound that you want. And also you have different functions like edit all the sounds at once. You can morph between sounds. You can copy, CV assign all the inputs and outputs. So you can make a demo while we talk. So now we are addressing all the slots with a step sequencer. We are addressing the different slots, the different sounds, and we can edit all the sounds at once. So with the edit all, now we can affect the release, for example, or the AM. We can go back, like going here. You can add FM to all the sounds. You can change the bank. We have also a freeze and revert function. You can freeze all the scene at any time that you want and go back to that point whenever you want. We have also morph function when you can morph between, let me show it here, between different sounds. So you can assign, for example, slot 1, you morph to slot 7. Now we can morph with the edit all, and you can see. We go here to layer and we can morph all the sounds. Now all these slots are morphing to these slots. You can take a snapshot of any sound. For example, you like now this morphing sound, this sound in slot 5, and you can take a snapshot of this actual sound and copy to a new fresh slot. Okay, and now you have different functions like, for example, random. Let's see, a single sound, for example. Okay, oh, espérate. Now, for example, we can add random here, and we say random. We can affect the release, the pitch. You can have different amounts of random of a single sound, and you have the master random fader to affect them all. This is a single slot with the random function. And we also have another function which is randomize. So you can randomize an entire bank. So you go here, and we that's the slot again, and we randomize all the bank. These are randomized sounds that you can take, and you say, okay, I like, for example, this one or this one, and you can go to edit all. You can edit all of them a little bit.
So it only has one trigger input, and,
yes,
and you're just for every single different trigger, you're assigning different parameters essentially.
Yes, yeah. This is a single voice, and we are basically now we are addressing all the different slots with this sequencer, but it's a single voice all the time. It's like we are changing the preset.
Yeah, brilliant.
In a live mode. And so for example, this is a randomized bank. And of course, with the edit all mode, you can decide which slots you affect. So you can affect to all the slots or only some of them. That's pretty it, I think.
Brilliant. So, is it available? When do you have a kind of roadmap for when it will be available?
Yeah, we plan to release it next month, in the end of June, and now it's available for pre-order at the price of $485. It's like the early birds, and the final price when it is available, it will be $535. Yeah.
Brilliant. Well, Alex, thank you very much.
Thanks to you.